So, what I am noticed, I was cleaning my AR for Black Rifle Friday coming up, and I noticed one of the gas key, this is the gas key, and one of the bolts, as you can see, is broken. The head broke off of here, disappeared somewhere in the gun, I guess, or got shot out maybe. Little bit of thread left here. Pretty straightforward sort of repair. You just get the thread out and replace the screws and you're on your way. You save yourself a new, having to buy a new bolt carrier. I sometimes, I don't know. There's a lot of different ways you can fix this. What I'm gonna try to do is weld this nut. Yes, I'm gonna weld on this. I'm gonna weld this nut right on top, just like that. Hopefully that won't disturb the bolt carrier. If you think it's going to, go ahead and leave a comment below. Let's get that discussion going. I don't know where that beeping came from. That was weird. Anyway, I was attempting to burn the coating off of the nut. It generally makes it a little easier to weld. So that's what that was. Got the welder hooked up.
Here goes nothing.
We got twisting. Oh yeah. Oh Jesus. Woo! There we go. All right, so here we are after the fact. We had a successful marriage of the nut and the thread. The welding happened so quickly on such a small little guy right there. This is a 7mm wrench that I'm holding. This is such a tiny little thing. Ta-da! That is so sick. So buying a new one of these was probably like 150 bucks. Maybe more, maybe less, depending on where in the United States you live. So yeah, I'm so fucking happy that worked. All right, all done here. We're gonna do a little function test. Bolt looks good so far. Empty magazine. Sweet, everything good so far. Good deal. And sync direction. Test fire. Looks good. Sweet.